Hi everyone, Miss Emily here from the Fairfield Public Library. Thank you for joining us for our summer Tails and Tales craft project. Today I will be showing you how to make a lion note holder. First, let's go over what is in the kit you picked up from the library. In your kit you have a yellow paper circle, 2 small yellow paper circles, a yellow paper oval, 2 yellow paper rectangles, 10 to 12 strips of orange paper, 2 googly eyes, a small wooden clothespin, a white foam square, and a white paper square. You will also need a glue stick and a black pen. So for our first step, we're going to take our 2 yellow rectangles and fold each one in half. So I'm going to line up the ends and fold it right down the middle. Do that to each one. Okay, these will be our lion's legs. So let's grab our glue stick and we're going to apply glue to one side of each leg and press them onto the back of our yellow circle. So let's apply some glue. So I've applied glue from the folded edge to about here. So glue from there to there. So we're now going to press this down on one side of our yellow circle. So I've pressed it down right there and it still opens up at the bottom. And now we're going to apply glue onto the other leg. Again, I applied glue from about the folded edge to there and press this one down on the other side. And when you press it down, you want to try to have both legs lining up at the bottom here. That way our lion will stand up. So I've got the 2 legs lined up at the bottom. They still open. If we flip him around and set him on the table, our lion will be standing up. Okay, so we are going to place our large yellow circle face down so that the side with the folded legs is facing you. Then take your 2 small yellow circles and we're going to apply glue to about half of each one and then press them on each side towards the top of our large yellow circle. So these will be our lion's ears. So I've put glue on about half of it. And I'm going to press the one down that side, apply glue on this one, and press it down on the other side there. So those are our lion's ears from the back. We're going to flip it over to the front. So this is the front of our lion. All right, and we're going to take the small white foam square and first apply some glue into the center of our large yellow circle and then press down the white foam, and our lion's face will be glued on top of that foam. So let's make our lion's face. To do that, take the yellow oval and your 2 googly eyes, and you want to first glue on your googly eyes. Okay, and then grab your black pen and you can draw a nose and a mouth. You can also add some toes on our lion if you'd like to. There we go, just added a few lines onto the bottom of the legs. Okay, so now let's apply glue to the top of our white foam square and then press our lion's face right on top. So there we go. That's what our lion looks like so far. Now it is time to work on our lion's mane and do some basic paper quilling. Paper quilling is a form of art in which strips of paper are rolled, shaped, and glued to create designs. So we will be rolling our strips of orange paper to make spirals for our lion's mane. So here is a way you can roll the paper strips. Take one orange strip and fold the bottom end up a little bit. Okay. So I've just folded up the bottom end, just a tiny bit. Take the end you just folded and continue to fold the paper up to create a small roll. We're going to just continue doing that until we reach the end of the strip of paper. Okay. You can then hold the roll in your fingers and shape it to make it rounder. So I'm just gently squeezing it to make it a bit rounder. If you'd like, you can do that. You can then set the roll down on the table and the roll will open up a bit. That's fine. If it opens up too much, you can re-roll the strip to make it tighter. And once your finished spiral is set aside, repeat these steps to roll about a total of 10 of your orange strips. So let's do another one here. Again, I just first folded a little bit of the bottom up and then just continuing to fold up the paper. Okay, I'm going to gently squeeze my roll, make it a little bit rounder, and then set it down. Okay, that one is all set. So I'm going to make about 8 more. Once your orange spirals are ready, put glue in a circle around the lion's face. So I'm just generously putting glue all around our large yellow circle. And then press the orange spirals around the face, leaving a little space, a little gap between each one. Just can gently press them down. Okay. If a spiral is coming off, you can just apply more glue onto the spot where you'd like to place it. And if there is a large gap between two of your spirals, and you do have an extra orange strip. You could make another spiral and glue that down. I just needed 10 for mine. And of course, it's fine if your spirals are larger and you end up using less of them. Okay, so now it is time to add our small wooden clothespin onto the back of our lion, and this will be used to hold our note. So we're going to carefully flip over our creation. Okay, here's the back. And we are going to take our glue stick and very gently apply some glue right in the center here, right in the center of the back. Okay, so now we want to also apply some glue onto our clothespin, and we are going to put glue along the one side. So we're going to put glue right here along here. It's my glue stick. And just rub it on. Okay, so now we're going to glue this down in the center of the back of our yellow circle, so where we had added some glue onto the yellow circle. And when we glue it down, we want the part that opens pointing up. Okay, so I'm just pressing it down, and this is what it looks like when it's glued on. So once all the glue dries, you can write a note on the white square and then clip it on using the clothespin. So to open the clothespin, once all of your glue is dry, you can put your thumb on the lion's face and then your pointer finger on the bottom of the clothespin and gently squeeze, and the clothespin will open up. You can then take your note, slip it in, and there you have it, your completed lion note holder. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun making your own lion note holder.